Okay, so that's it, and I will put some more cinnamon powder on top. It's not necessary because I've added some in the butter, but I feel I could add a bit more. Okay, and then the rolling starts. This is a bit of an awkward angle, so I would normally start from here, but because I want you to see how to roll cinnamon buns well, I will start from here. So there might be a bit of blockage, but here, this is the first part, which can be a bit tricky. Okay, you just need to fold it over. You don't want it too tight, because too tight means the middles will pop up while it's baking. So you need room for them to rise. They're going to rise again. Second and final rise. I usually make 12 from this dough, and I think I will make 12. I wanted to make 8 big ones, but I will make 12 as usual. This part, just try and seal it onto there. I'm going to turn this so you can see it better. Probably you'll see all of it anyway now, but I've turned it like this. Now you divide the dough. You just get either the spatula or the back of a knife and mark out lines where you'll cut the dough. Okay, I've got my markings done. I'm going to put this here. If you want bigger ones, you just cut smaller, a few. Like I'm cutting 12, but if you want 6, if you want a gigantic, like I've seen some cinnamon roll cakes that people are making. So make sure this side where you seal joins to another one, so that it doesn't really unravel when you're baking. Some people use dental floss to cut this. I haven't tried it yet. I might try it one day. I'm going to cover these and leave them to rise for about half an hour. You can oil your greaseproof paper. You can oil your cling film. Oil it on the side that will touch the buns so that when they rise, they don't stick to it.